Here we are. We're on a nature trail. Paid $4 to drive down this like miles of stuff. It takes a while. Look, no gum right now. We got a playground here. Did you see this? Look at the playground. See that? You ready to get in the playground?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I told you. All right, great big playground over here. Wow, look at this, man. All right, let's go look at it. Wait a minute. Don't be crawling all over. All right, come on.
Oh. I'm gonna get on that slide.
Ah. Ooh, here, look at that.
Can I get on it?
No, you can't get on it. This is just a walkthrough thing. Here, the Children's Nature Center Discovery Area. We're in Texas. Here she goes. She's off and having fun. We're all good. Thanks, Richard.